ជាយើងមកវិញហើយជាហ្នឹងនេះ
So this is one of the stations where the bullet train stopped. So I think yesterday I said, most of the Tokyo area was heavily bombed during World War II, but this area was exempt from the attack.
ណាវីថា airport នៅតូក្យូក្នុងប្រទេសជប៉ុនបងប្អូន
リエントリーこちらにお越しください。
គូចូលមកតាមហ្នឹងមក
Đây vậy?
เราผมពេញនេះចុះសុទ្ធតែជប៉ុនខ្ញុំមើលថាម៉េចអាមេលីអុយក្លុះគូចឹង
Ô, ở con chanh nhà các bạn chua.
ហើយមនុស្សច្រើនដែរបាទជប៉ុនមនុស្សច្រើនណាស់សត្វអ្នកដើរលេងអ្នកឃ្លានដើរលេងឯងបន្ទប់ជួបរីធីមខ្ញុំអាទៀវចេះទៅទៀតមុខអ្នកចង់ holiday
Directive this way.
ឥឡូវពួកយើងចាំបាស
Chăm tê phun nó
đàn
bạn
cầm.
mơ khơi.
Bạn mượn khởi
20,000 yen. It's nice.
ដល់គូเลยទៀតតាំងពីក្រហូតដល់
The R and the L.
តិចហ្នឹងឡប់ពីតូក្យូបងប្អូនតូក្យូជប៉ុនតូយ៉ូlobby កន្លែង hotel យើងនៅហើយនោះមេធัวខ្ញុំឈ្មោះគាត់សយសុំឈ្មោះអាទឹកត្រីទឹកស្អ៊ីវឈ្មោះគាត់អាទឹកត្រីអាទឹកស្អ៊ីវឈ្មោះអាសយសុំប្រាប់វានោះមិញខាងក្រៅថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃដំបូងដែលពួកយើងចេញទៅដើរវារៀងញ៉ៃបន្តិច You're going Can't wait inside it This is outside Wow Really បាសដើរតូក្យូមកស៊ីកង់នេះapartment គេរស់នៅចាស់ Oh, freezing. Correct. Yeah.
ខ្ញុំមានអីតជើង
ថាជាយើងមកវិញហើយជាហ្នឹងនេះណែនប៉េះហើយណាគាត់ចតទៅណា
So this is one of the stations where the bullet train stopped. Massive mega. This is the moat. And so basically the Japanese castle has 2 layers of moat. So this is the outer moat. Okay, and then inside there's another layer of water. Okay, so which makes it harder for the enemies to attack. So I think yesterday I said, most of the Tokyo area was heavily bombed during World War II, but this area was exempt from the attack because even the Americans thought if they bombed the Imperial Palace, the Japanese gonna go crazy. So they avoided this place.
So the station was spared. The station looks very old.
Oh, it's remodeled.
It's remodeled.
Yeah, that was broken too. That was destroyed too. So this Imperial Palace is surrounded by this nice bonsai trees, like pine trees, and it's a massive one. They're like 200 years old. We're gonna take a nice walk around it and stop by a nice gate. Okay?
ចិត្តជាង